So here. So today we're Radiator. In here we got fuse block, heat shrink, terminals, a shit ton of fuses, and new battery terminals just for the put all the wires.
And how much did all this stuff cost?
It's actually pretty, only 100. It's like this box right here is about 70 bucks, 60 bucks. Wasn't too bad. So that's box number one.
Okay, how much did that cost?
So that 250. This right here, wiring for what's in here, $70.
Oh,
Man. What's up?
Good to be back in America. Oh, look at that. They even have the cosmetic
Cover for it when you drill.
so that way you can keep it. Parts. Dude, this is going to be done quickly. You're like jamming now.
I'm telling you,
hopefully within the next like month.
So this is smog shit. I'm just reusing this so there's not a hole in the top of the gas tank. So
Oh, yeah. Silver green, you get this takes everything
got a
out.
new horn.
Beautiful.
Old
15 bucks.
Ford parts.
In the original box too.
Is that the resistor or something?
So a shit ton of heat wrap.
Yeah.
Shit ton of fuses.
Yeah, very good. You're
New
set.
fuse block.
You're going to have, oh yeah, good. Yeah.
And new terminals for the battery.
So you put a new fuse block in.
No, this is just for the accessories.
Oh, got it.
Just for the gauges,
Yeah, yeah.
just for the senders.
You got
just for
wire?
the- there's gonna be wire. Everything's already wired with it.
So you're just going to strip and
Well, that
strip
wire's
on.
coming in. Oh, wait a minute, did I have it? No, yeah, I do have wire. Yeah.
Oh, you go. Look at
Here's my wire.
There they are. And what gauges do you have there?
16 gauge.
16.
How much did all that cost?
This is just for,
16.
this is just for the wire. This is for gauges, the electric gauges. These are what these are.
Oh,
used
okay,
for.
yeah.
Maybe the MSD.
You might, I might have some, but you might need different gauges of
I'll find out.
connectors.
Because right here, here's more connectors. I got these connectors.
There you go. Then you got the big boys. There you go. All right, there you are. All right, you're
Prepared.
set now.
And wait, there's more. There's more. Here's the wire just for the fans. Big gauge.
That's for your high current
And grounding
stuff.
block.
So, all right, now you're set, dude.
Yeah, I can prepare.
I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Which do I do?
Shit.
Or steal it?
Uh,
Wow, that's beautiful.
So, I mean, I could have had this polished for $80 more, but I'm like,
It's gonna get scratched
it's
up.
already polished anyway, ish.
You would be doing that if this was a
show.
ground-up resto right
Yeah,
here,
but this
right?
right here is just a,
Especially if you knew you.
It's a racer at this point. All right, first thing we gotta take out this bolt right here. That remove. I just put the old power steering right there so we can get the power steering out of the way. Then we can start focusing on the box to get that out. Uh-oh. Mistakes were made. Caught it. Okay, we lost some fluid in that one, but it's okay. Could be worse. Oh, the whole line just flew off.
No.
Alright, so just before we continue further, we're gonna make sure this guy fits. See if this thing will fit. Going in.
How long did you have it until it blew up?
How long did I have it? That'll fit. Seems that. Yeah, it fits.
himself. Oh, I wouldn't take a $500,000 header to the shop, but we did a $9,000 engine by ourselves, trying to get that shit in there on a decline.
Hey, you got food out of it.
You said it was gonna be 2 hours. It turned out to be 10 hours.
Wasn't it in the
4
rain?
hours. Yes, 4 hours, and you got a sandwich out of it. It's an open bitch.
There's a small liner underneath it. So, I'm guessing the firewall's probably going to be the best spot.
What the hell was that? Holy fuck, that's heavy.
Shoot, I worked 22 hours. My first check, and I got like 250.
Nice. All right, put it somewhere.
What the hell is that thing?
Steering box.
You just keep going up. Okay, can you come forward anymore? Like if you lift up the back of it? Okay.
Is that in?
No. Do you want to know the bad news?
What?
I don't think these are going to ever work.
Yeah, bash the header, don't we?
No, you got to move a whole tube.
Morning, neighbors.
10:30.
Legally, you can start working on making noise at 7.
7?
Unless they changed it to 8.
Yeah, because I got to raise the motor up a little bit. I mean, since we're using the same mounts, all we're doing is taking the bolts off the top, those 3 bolts there on the engine, taking them out, put longer ones in with a spacer in it. That should put the motor up more.
Like, you can order a spacer for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it makes a spacer.
Then yeah, because I don't see that header working the other way.
So, fix the power steering pump lining issues. We just had to get some spacer, just get some washers here and adjust the how far it sticks out. Now the belt, it looks like it is lining up, just perfect now. Yeah, looks straight to you.
Move your finger? Yeah.
So yeah, it's straight. So this is solved. Now I already know problem number 1. So I have to get an adapter to adapt this to the back of that, and I thought I did, but the problem was I got the wrong one on the website because they list it for the exact same application. So I got this. This ain't gonna work. So I have to get one that's just basically, I mean, male edit.
There goes your ad revenue.
Yep.
Recommended torque values. Son of a bitch, you want me to put this thing to 45 foot-pounds? God damn.
That's my cylinder head, dude.
Shit.
So what you want to do is you want to take the wires, you want to take them with a knife and cut them in half, and then you want to just twist them, and just twist and twist, and then just throw everything back in there and just call it done.
Very complicated explanation.
Like all of this is all perfect right here. All of this, perfect spot for it. I am wiring in the positive side to the breakers, so this is going to come off of battery positive and come off the 2 different breakers for the 2 different fans, and then run across. Not that difficult, just tedious.
Like it's really gonna
Like it's
twist
really-
the fame.
Oh, it will. It probably will.
Yeah.
It's a big block and a small block.
Yeah. Cocking Nora.
The torque is going to be insane.
Yeah. That's if the wheel hop doesn't kill it first.
Did you get something to prevent wheel hop?
No.
Are you going to?
If they make it. For this car, I'm pretty sure they make it. I just don't know what the hell they call it. Because on Summit they only have shocks and polyurethane bushings for this car is like readily available speed parts.
Don't tell them about the paint. See, the key is you take this part of the handle and you just put it right up against the frame and you just lean on it.
Why wasn't that on there before?
Because it was on the trunk of my mom's car since we broke it, and I was just too lazy to retrieve it.
Why are you putting "we" into that sentence?
Because at this point it's a joint effort.
I wasn't there when you
Is my name going to be on this at some point? Bro, he didn't give me a receipt. There was nothing. He gave me the money for donuts.
Yes.
Yeah, that was the no.
And gasoline.
From what? No. From what your grandma said, she said to pay for the donuts. You said I already did. You didn't say anything about gas.
Or any
my side,
any type of warranty if this whole thing like just decides to burn every wire.
Well, the problem is the warranty and engine expired 9 days after I got it. I didn't even turn the motherfucker over. I didn't even spin it before the warranty expired.
Man, you didn't even put the engine in before it expired.
Yep.
Okay, now we test it. Yeah, that's not coming off anytime soon. So yeah.
Great idea. Let's get the engine that has a 90-day warranty on it and not put it on before the 90
But
days.
didn't you have it run on a dyno?
Yeah, it was tested on a dyno and all that.
But was it okay when it came off the dyno?
Yeah, should be. Okay, first thing.
Not in the paint.
Yeah.
Second thing.
Third thing, not next to the donuts.
Here's what you gotta do, Tony. The camera. Over here. Keep an eye on this gauge. I'm gonna put the temperature probe in there and tell me what temperature it gets to, alright?
Oh, now it moved.
Now move.
It's going up. It's going, it may hit 190.
Alright, that's it.
Maybe. It's getting close to 190.
Hold the fan stone. What? What was that?
This relay's working. Hold that.
Which
Hold that
one?
relay. And
Hold.
just tell me if it clicks.
Yeah.
Yeah. That works.
So now we're working?
Where's the black?
There it is.
You're holding it tight. Make sure your finger's out of the way.
Oh, it works. We're good. Those have torque to them.
Take it out and hold your hand on it.